Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to ask for a clue on the WordSnack application if you are stuck with an exercise. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then if you want to ask for help and a clue, tap on this light bulb button in the left side corner of the screen down below. And as you can see, there is the first clue, and you can use these clues until you have enough money. If you run out of coins, then you can shop them. So here can you select the packages, and basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.